Good morning, everyone. How are you? Today we are in week 36 and we are about to end the year, guys. Just I want to remind everyone to complete all the lesson as I mentioned, and we have only giving you more 1 day to go. Then anyone we're going to update anywhere, it will not update in the marks system. Okay, guys. Today we are in lesson 18, virtual pet with Sprite Lab. If you remember last week or the last lesson, we did lesson 17, virtual. We did another lesson, it's called behavior in Sprite Lab. Today we are in lesson 18, virtual pet with Sprite Lab. Our objective for today, guys, to create a programs that include sequences, events, loops, and conditionals. Okay, success criteria number 1, edit events and behavior to make characters move around screen, change size, and change color. This is we did actually on the previous lesson as well. Today we're gonna do it. Create an animated interactive game using sequence and events. Then in the end we create an interactive virtual pet using events, behavior, variables, and custom art. How we can do this? Let's start. Okay, just I want to look here, guys. As I told you many times, the lessons that you need to start completing it from 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17. Okay, and also I told some of you also need to complete 3 and 5. Okay, but if you don't have time, please start completing from 8, from 8, yes. Okay, just be with me, please. Let's start with the lesson 18 today. In lesson 18, guys, when you start with the first puzzle here, he's telling you here to free to play. He's giving you an example. Let's play the instruction.
Free play. Whoa, check out this cool pet. While reading the code below, ask yourself, how do you command the pet to move? What happens when the pet touches the ice cream cone? How about the pepper? How is the energy variable used? How can you check the pet's current energy value? Run the code and play with the pet. When you are done, click Finish.
Okay, guys, just look to the code here. They set the background, or they set energy to 5, set background to park view. Okay, they add how many sprites here? 3 sprites. Okay, in different location. They're adding the behavior for this ice cream. It's called wandering. They're adding another sprite is the popper here, begins wandering. Okay. Also, while you press up in the keyboard, the energy, what pixel north, going north. Okay, then we have something, guys, here. How is energy variable used? This is a variable we use, and something here is called the variable that we used it before. Today we're gonna use it with the Sprite Lab. Okay, guys, while turn left, the energy go west, then east. Then when this sprite touch the another sprite, what's going to happen? They're going to change the energy to 1 because we set the energy how many in the beginning? 5. It means here any energy how many pixels, guys? It is 5 pixels. 5 pixels. This is how we use the variable when we set the variable. Okay, here they change the energy to 1. Okay, then print energy increased. Okay, when this only touch this one, then the ice cream jump to random location. When this sprite touch this one, they set the energy to 5, and you print yak energy rest, then jump the pepper to the random location. Then when you click this sprite, it will print what? Energy. Let's try it. Run. See, when it touch, yeah. Okay, let me move up See what's happening here? This is the happening here. Okay, let's click also on this sprite. See, it's printing what? 5 5 yak energy 6 6 6 6 6. See, this is exactly what we wrote here. Okay, just to see what is this, look all this, play with it, then when you are done just click finish. Let's go to puzzle 2. In puzzle 2, guys, here is telling you actually let me click start over to remove whatever I did here. Look here, guys, now it is your turn to create your own virtual pet. Start by giving it a look you like, anything you want. Click the costume. Where's the costumes here, guys? This one. Tap at it, the top left of your screen next to the code. Edit the starting costume or add a new one that you like. Change the sprite costume to your own in the code below, then you click run. When you are done this, because you're gonna do step by step, you don't have to use only just, you need to add what? Some sprites and edit the costume. Let's see how to do this. You're gonna go click costumes. If you want to edit the costume colors, want to play with anything, so you are professional than me for these things. Okay, just you click on paint pocket, then you can change the color that you want. Okay, you can change or you can do anything you want. Okay, see, it doesn't change the color actually. You need to click somewhere to pick the color, then you can start putting the colors that you want. This is the filling I'm doing now. See, because little different parts, you can edit whatever you want. Okay, I'll leave it to you guys that you can edit. Also, you can add a new costume here. You can draw your own costume by drawing using the pencil, using the straw, like this, anything you want. For example, you can draw anything you want. I'm not actually good drawing person. I don't know even how to draw. Okay, you can draw anything you want. Okay, for example, this is the costume that you draw. When you go back to code, if you want to use the new color, you're gonna click here, it's already there. Okay, how to add the new one? You're gonna go to sprites, make a new sprite. Okay, more, you will find the one you draw, but why it doesn't show here? This one. Okay, should showing here when you find it, but because it's not clear, it's here. Okay, you can change the location. This is random location, or you can do another things, guys, by going to sprites, make a new sprite, click here, more, then you pick any animal because you are doing what? Pet, right? Click again to pick that one, then you need to change the location, random location, or you can go again here, sprites, and pick where is the location you need to put it where. Okay, also here, guys, you can add the background if you want. Change this one to farmland or to something related, park view, for example. Okay, here we are done. How many sprites do you need to add, guys? You can add more than 4, okay, as you like. Then you click continue, going to the next one. And number 3, guys, the old things that we already learned how to use, while you press up or you press down. We already used this one and explained it in the previous lesson. Okay, see, for example, let me do one for you. For example, here, create an event, make the pet move on command. Start using while, make the pet move north. Okay, let's see how to do this one. First, where you're gonna go, guys, this is events, right? It means go to events, then while you press up, as I said many times, the events, you don't need to attach it to the code. It is standalone. Okay, while you press up, guys, what you're gonna do, action, move this pet or the cat, how many pixels? 5 pixels. North, up is north, is right. Let's click run. It's moving north. Repeat the above again to different direction. It means you need to add the 4 direction, guys. Same thing, up, right, left, down. Okay, you can do it also for many of the bits that you have. Okay, and done. Next, in number 4 here, let's make some wandering food. Add 2 sprites to your walls. Add another 2 sprites to your world. What are you gonna do? You're gonna go to sprites, make a new sprite, and random location is okay. Then you click more, then go to animals. Example, add this one. Then here we go. One more. You have to follow the instruction, guys, to pass the levels. More, then you go to animals, select wherever you want. You have to pick that what I'm picking here. It's a random location as well. You can also, guys, do you know that you can change the size of the animals itself? Do you know how? From where, guys? Did anyone remember? Let's see, they already give you the option here. Yes, they're giving you the option from action, set the size from here. For example, because the normally the bears are bigger, right? You can change here. You're gonna go here, and then change the size to 200. See? Got it, guys? This is one of the things you can do. You have to think about, open your mind when you're creating your kind of these lessons. You have to use some options that you already learned before. Okay, guys? Okay, make one sprite look like what your pet likes to eat. Okay, and other look like what doesn't like to eat. Okay, for example, the cats, what they like to eat, or the beer, what they like to eat. Honey, for example, or anything like this. You're gonna go here to sprites. You need to edit or create a custom one. You can draw it by yourself, or you're gonna go here. You can use sprite. Then you click more. Then you can find something like food. But you need to get a food which is the animals, not human, are eating it. Okay, I believe they can eat what? Fish for the cat, for example, right? Then you click here, then you pick the fish. Okay, all of them are random location, but you can fit the location where you want. You can add also something that one of the costume here or one of the sprites, they don't like to eat. Okay, or for them, as you would see in the first puzzle, there is something yummy and there is something yucky, right? Okay, you have to do it by your own, guys. Okay, make each food sprite begins to wandering behavior immediately after its appear. How to make this fish wandering? You're gonna go where, guys, to behavior. Sprite begins what? Then you select that fish. Sprite begins what? Wandering. You're gonna get that. Where is located? Here we go. Then we can click run. Okay, and we are done puzzle 4. Then you can continue to puzzle 5. From here, guys, you need to use your own ways to complete. Please read the instructions very well, that you can complete it till the end. It's very easy, guys. All the puzzles are easy. In the end, you're going to create your virtual pet program. Okay, I hope that you understand what you need to do today. If you have any question, please message me in Schoology. And please, guys, complete your assignments. If you have any problems, please make sure you can contact me in any time. See you guys. See you next week. Bye.